G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day one and all, how you all going? The time is 10:25 in the morning. Now before I make my way down to the beach to do a video, I wanted to capture this. Now I did have some other birds here having a feed, and also had a magpie having a bath. And it was very interesting to watch, and then just before I could set my camera up, they all flew off, the other ones, the red ones. So, I'll zoom into the one on the bottom here. Now these two have one of the bird houses they own now. I think it's these two. So they've got a nest, they're having a nest in that. And then we've got one at the top up here we'll have a quick look at too. Hopefully the magpie might have another bath. Thing. The lake looks beautiful and it's sunny, not that windy. Oh, I hope it makes. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. Magpie's going to have a bath again. I put fresh water into that, so every time I put fresh water in, the magpie seems to go, oh cool, bath time. You can see these two in the background just over here waiting for the magpie to do its thing. Because they don't want to be sitting down there and eating when they jumps up at them. And even though there's 3 bird feeders, crimson rosella here too. Ah, how rude of them. Very bossy, aren't you? Huh. After all that, you chased all the other birds away. And you just like, yeah, up in the tree now. Oh well. I'll let the birds sort themselves out. I'm going to be walking down this pathway and I'll go get another video. Now, I'm still not quite sure about the other bird box. I'm thinking I might have to move it. And find a nice spot in the tree somewhere. I think it's too low to the ground, maybe too much of an angle. I'm not quite sure yet. I'll have to look and figure it out where I want to put it, and then probably set it up somehow. Oh well. He landed down with a thump. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.